fastened?
Yeah.
Any planes in?
That side. That side.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and all your hand baggage stowed until the aircraft is parked and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Your mobile telephones may be switched on once the aircraft doors have been opened. Before you leave us, please ensure you have all your personal items with you. Have a good look in the overhead lockers and the area around your seat, but please take care when opening the overhead lockers in case items have moved during today's flight. We'd like to advise you that smoking is not permitted anywhere inside the terminal building, nor is it permitted on your journey to the terminal itself.
And you stop.
The aircraft will be met by representatives who will take you into the terminal building, and you'll find personnel within the baggage reclaim area should you require any further assistance. Finally, on behalf of us all at Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, may we thank you for flying with us today. We hope you have a great holiday, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board soon.
What's that one? Thomas, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you continuing your holiday with Jet2 Holidays, you'll find details of where to meet your representative in your holiday paperwork. We hope you have a great time away.
From here last year, this wasn't there, was it?
Well, you've obviously got, don't need to show the board.
Oh no, they don't know if you need
Passport. Well, next year when everyone goes out, they use the new visa. I don't think we'll.
You need your own, I don't need to.
I know, just helping me and taking these out.
Mine's like this.
Yeah, but people don't know because I think it's based on immigration. And we post the United Nations, we'll have to take all the people don't realise.
The sun's come out for us.
Yeah. Two of different colour, the kids.
Thomas Cooper, change the pictures at the front now, aren't they?
Mine's like three.
29, are we?
Thompson. Thompson.
Oh, you look at that one. Look at that one. No, that one.
Got a bull on it.
Yeah. That's an old prop. That's an old prop. The pellet one. Yeah. The pellet one.
It's 2022.
Let's look on the old faster one.
Wanted dead or alive.
No private jets there. Just been off, look. There's the private jet.
Yeah.
Just keep taking
This is what you do.
You're Chinese. I think we have to get on a bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.